Have you ever tried to create a Pandas data frame from an ordered dict, only to find that the order of your values is all messed up? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve that problem together. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you expect your data to be in a specific order, but it just doesn't turn out that way. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many people face similar issues when working with data in Python. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how can I create a Pandas data frame from an ordered dict while preserving the order of the values? They provided a list of ordered dicts and want to ensure that the columns appear in the correct order. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what could be causing the issue? When creating a data frame, if the data structure isn't set up correctly, Pandas may not maintain the order you expect. We'll break it down step by step so you can get it right. And don't go anywhere. I've got a simple solution at the end that will ensure your data frame is created just the way you want it. To create a Pandas data frame from an ordered dict while preserving the order of the keys, the user should first import the necessary libraries. This includes Pandas and collections. Next, the user should define their list of ordered dicts. This is where the data is stored in the desired order. Now, the user can create the data frame using the Pandas DataFrame constructor. This will ensure that the order of the keys is preserved. Finally, the user should display the data frame to verify that the data is structured correctly, with the columns in the desired order. Did you know? The OrderedDict was introduced in Python 2.7, and it was a game changer for maintaining order in dictionaries. Now, with Pandas, you can keep that order in your data frames too. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user suggests creating a Pandas data frame directly from the list of ordered dictionaries. They emphasize that you don't need to specify the column order, as ordered dictionaries maintain the order of keys inherently. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative approach to creating a Pandas data frame from an ordered dict involves using the counter from the collections module. First, you define your ordered dicts, then you create a counter to collect the keys. Finally, you build the data frame using the values from the ordered dicts and the keys from the counter. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests creating the data frame by specifying the columns directly from one of the ordered dicts. They recommend using the data frame constructor with the ordered dict list and the keys from the first ordered dict. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always check the structure of your data before creating a data frame. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to create a Pandas data frame from an ordered dict while preserving the order of your values. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced Pandas techniques.